Hey guys, Miata Man here. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the center cap on a factory BBS Mazda wheel. These are on my 1991 Mazda Miata. They came off of a 1993 limited edition Miata. And they've got their proper BBS 14-inch wheel. They are just exactly the same as the 15-inch version that came on the M editions. And the center caps are lovely, and you don't want to lose one because they're not cheap to replace. So it's important that you get them off using the correct tool. This is the BBS tool. It says BBS design right on there. And if you have this, you just give it a quick turn counterclockwise like that, and that releases the mechanism that's on the inside here. And what this does is it grabs on to this lip here. So very important when you put these back on to make sure you line it up correctly with the edges here. Sort of click it on. Make sure that it's seated properly. Take your tool and give it a good pull until you hear it click. There we go, right there. So I'll click it back. There we are. And we'll do it one more time. There it is. So that's on there and it's not going to fly off. Now, if I go to the tire shop and get new tires or have any work done, I'll remove these myself before I go. And then I'll put them on myself when I get home and make sure that they're seated properly. Because if you lose one, it's going to cost you $100 probably to replace it. So there you are. That's how you remove and reset your BBS center caps on your factory wheels. These wheels are beautiful, hard to find, and the center caps are also pretty tough to find too. So I hope that helps you. Please like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon.